Here we have another piece by Rufaro Ngoma, sculpted in springstone. All this work will be available on utonga.com. Bringing you all the latest sculpture, the most renowned artists in Zimbabwe.